You guys are hard feeding the scam train. 147 subs. 27,210 biddies. What the fuck? What the fuck, chat? What the fuck, chat? Blowing their load on a Sunday, as God intended. That's why it's the rest day, the day of the Lord. This is a psyop by the no game people to steal your cubes. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's see if I can even do all of the individual thank yous. Holy Christ. You just went to eat some Dominoes and I'm still on the same question? Doggo! I got forcefully held against the wall and told that I am loved. I couldn't move! So yes, we're still on the same question. More like day of the load, honestly. Sinning on a Sunday! That sounds like a song name. Don't believe her, she made us. No force! No force! Let me try my best here. Jesus fuck. Hold on a second. Where even are we? Calm Marco? Oh my god. An hour ago, I remember Graf and Tepezzini subbing. Okay. So this was 25 minutes of you guys just non-stop running a train on me? No way, dude. No! Do not start another one! Do not! Put the wallets down! Everyone freeze! It's like red light, green light. Your hatred of me keeps you coming back to laugh at me. Now dance, clown! I am not clown, I am cringe bucket. There is a small but subtle difference. She said green light. Jesus fuck. Hands off the piece. Hands up. No wallet in hand gaming. Donate my life savings. No, buy a house. Have a family. I did say cringe bucket. Just waiting for the free sub at this point. If you've managed to dodge all of that, holy shit, that's some unlucky. I'm sorry. Spicy cringe cat love. Mine! My VT auntie is going to have a field day about me getting a train run on me. That's true. That's true. He's gonna be like, how isn't this V-Show-Ho whore fox banned on Twitch? Literally getting a train ran on her live on stream? Spider God, thank you for gift sub to Billie Jean. Skilky, thank you for directly depositing your load into Ziz's mouth. Thank you for gifting him. Frizzy! I realized what I was saying in the middle of saying it, and I couldn't stop. It was too late. I can't fucking see. I can't fucking see. I'm crying. Deep, dank, dark gift subs. Oh god. I'm broken, dude. I can't focus. I am marinated in the sauce, man. You went to get some chicken. Did she go insane? I fucked up. Oh god, I'm coughing. I need water. My mouth. Virginity. Oh god. I'm never again. Holy Christ. Oh, God.